Hi, my name is Prasad. Now I'm going to set up firewall by using Cisco packet. Now opening the Cisco packet. To set up the firewall, take a server, a switch. Here I'm taking 2960 switch and 3 PCs. Now connect the server to the switch and connect all 3 PCs to the switch. Let's add the IP address to the server. First I'm writing the IP address here 192.168.5.1. Now click on the server, go to the desktop, go to IP configuration. Here now add the IP address 192.168.5.1. Click on the subnet max. Now close the IP configuration, go to the services. Here the DHCP, click on the DHCP, click on the on. Now go to the HTTP, go to the index.html. Here we can edit. Here the hyperlink is welcome to the Cisco packet tracer. Now we can add our sentences. Here I am writing welcome to ismt college. Now click on the save button, click on as. That's it. Now close this. Now add the IP address to the given 3 PCs. Now PC number 0. Go to the desktop, go to IP configuration. Here the DHCP method IP configuration. Now we select this. Here automatically the IP given by the systems. Here the IP address is 192.168.5.2. Close this. Similarly steps for the 1 and 2. Go to the desktop, go to IP configuration, click on the DHCP. Here the IP address is 192.168.5.3. Close this. Again go to the PC number 2, click on the desktop, go to IP configuration, go to DHCP. Here the IP address is 192.168.5.4. Now close this. Now add this by manually. I'm here writing 192.168.5.2. Here is 192.168.5.3 and for PC2 is 5.4. 192.168.5.4. That's it. Now it's time to add the firewall IPv4 in the server. Now click on the server, go to the desktop, click on the IPv4 firewall. Here we can add the firewall settings. Now on this firewall, click on the on button. Then we add two protocols. Here the IP and the IMCP, where IP is used to hosting the web page and ICMP is used to ping protocol. We know that ping is a basic internet program that allows users to test and verify if a particular destination IP address exists or not. First we add deny for the ping protocol, ICMP. Now add the remote IP as 0.0.0.0 to allow all the IP addresses, either and we add the remote wildcard max as 255.255.255.255. Now click on the add button. Next we use LO for the IP, which is used for website host. Now we add the remote IP as 0.0.0.0 and remote wildcard max as 255.255.255.255. Now click on the add button and save it. Close this IP configuration, firewall configuration, and close this. Now we add the firewall configuration in server. Now check whether the PC can access or not the IP address of server. Now starting from the PC number 0, here the server also acts as the DHCP server, so we can also add here it's a DHCP server, DHCP server. Now go to the PC number 0 to check it can access the firewall or not. Now write ping and IP address of server dot 5.1 and click the enter. If the reply comes, it means the setup is wrong. If the reply is not come, then we verify that the setup is correct. Here we cannot get the reply, it means that our setup is correct. Now close this command prompt and go for the web browser and wait for a while, it takes some time. Now write the IP address of server and now go click on the go icon. Here the web page renders, it means that our setup is correct. Similarly steps, now close this web browser and we follow the similar steps for the PC number 1, PC number 2. Click on the PC 1, go to the command prompt, write ping an IP address of server. If the reply comes, it means the ismt protocol that we set up in the firewall is wrong. But if it reply does not come, it means that the firewall setup is correct. Now click on the enter. Here the replies is not come, it means our setup is correct. Now close this command prompt and go for the web browser. Now write the IP address of server, enter the go live. Here again the web page is renders, it means the configuration for the PC 1 is also correct. Now close this icon and go for the PC number 2. Go to the command prompt, ping and PC address, IP address of server. Here also if the replies does not come, it means our setup is correct, it means the firewall works. If the replies come, it means the firewall does not work and there is a mistake in our setup. Now click the enter. Here again the replies did not come, it means our setup is correct. Now go for the web browser. Here are the IP address of server. We can check the web page renders or not. Look here the web page is shown, it means our setup is totally correct. Now close this icon. In this way firewall works. In this way firewall works. Now thank you.